Hello, everyone. You will be able to use Galaxy devices safely and reliably for longer because we plan to support 7 years of security updates and 7 generations of OS upgrade, starting with Galaxy S24 Series. Welcome to your Eureka moment.
Galaxy S24 Ultra is iconic, and Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus bring a one-mass design, creating a cohesive look that seamlessly combines the display with a durable armor aluminum frame. With a range of gender-neutral colors inspired by nature, our Galaxy S24 series redefines durability and style. For the first time ever, we're harnessing the power of titanium to give Galaxy S24 Ultra a super premium feel and durability. It's Samsung Galaxy's toughest metal yet, with higher corrosion resistance, yield strength, and hardness. We also made the device thinner to fit better in the contours of your hand. Replaced the front edge display with a flatter one for writing with the S Pen. The display has evenly designed bezels, it's more vivid and more visible, and it's more durable. To share more, please welcome John Bain from Corning.
I'm thrilled to introduce a brand new material that we developed for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Corning Gorilla Armor. With this state-of-the-art material, we've advanced the performance of Gorilla Glass in 3 ways. First, Gorilla Armor is our toughest Gorilla Glass yet. When we drop tested it on concrete-like surfaces, Gorilla Armor performed up to 3 times better compared to competitive aluminosilicate cover glasses. Second, Gorilla Armor improves scratch resistance. In rigorous lab testing, Gorilla Armor demonstrated over 4 times more scratch resistance compared to competitive cover glasses. This testing replicated micro scratches caused by daily wear, like when you put your phone in your pocket with keys or coins. And the test showed that Gorilla Armor displayed no visible scratches.
From communication to productivity and creativity, every experience you've seen today is made possible because it's powered by an advanced suite of technologies. And it all starts with our latest AP, designed to deliver exceptional performance and lightning-fast processing speeds. Our state-of-the-art MPU is the fastest in the Galaxy series. It's what allows AI features like real-time translation and generative editing to run smoothly and efficiently. We've also improved the CPU and GPU significantly, which enables seamless multitasking and video editing. And performance is further optimized by Galaxy AI, so you can game for longer. The Galaxy S24 series excels in effective power management through its efficient AP and enhanced MPU performance. Couple that with a long-lasting battery, and now you'll be able to enjoy even more gameplay. Plus now, gaming outdoors is even better. The entire Galaxy S24 series features screens with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. These intelligent displays detect the lighting of your environment and adapt automatically to help you see your screen more clearly with 3 levels of brightness and color adjustment.
As technology advances, its impact on our lives continues to expand. Today, we'll show you all the possibilities that Galaxy AI holds. Possibilities that'll help you connect and create in new ways. We're so excited to share all we anticipate this technology can do for you. One of the most important and essential things we do every day is communicate with each other. It's how we express ideas and build relationships. But if we don't share the same language as someone, we can miss opportunities for connection. When you make or receive a call in a language you don't speak, the Galaxy S24 series can provide live translations of your call, both verbally and on screen, right away.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas? Of course. For how many people?
These translations work in person too. Galaxy S24 can act as your personal interpreter, whether you're lost and asking for directions or speaking to a merchant at a local marketplace.
Excuse me? I'm looking for the palace. Can you tell me how to get there?
Perdón, estoy buscando el palacio. ¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar allí?
It can also help us communicate better in our own languages too. You can select different styles of conversations on Google Messages. So when you're writing a casual message to a friend, you can choose a chill or excited tone. Or for work, you can choose to be more formal. There's even a Shakespearean tone when you're feeling a little whimsical. And this all happens on device on the Galaxy S24 series, thanks to Google's most efficient AI model built for on-device tasks, Gemini Nano. And now, with photo emoji on Google Messages, you can turn your photos into stickers and reactions, opening up whole new ways to express yourself. You can also make tone changes to your notes, chats, and social media using the Samsung keyboard. So, if you're writing a caption for your feed, you can apply this social tone for a more expressive, creative post. We're also making it easier to communicate while you're on the road. Android Auto brings the best of the Galaxy experience to your car, allowing you to safely navigate, access your favorite media, and stay connected. Let's say you're driving and your friends are messaging you in a group chat. With the power of AI, you'll be able to set Android Auto to automatically summarize your group messages, so you can keep in touch while staying focused on the road.
By combining our deep expertise, vision, and passion, we are creating new AI experiences to redefine people's lives.
I'm thrilled to unveil Circle to Search, a new way to search anything on your Android phone using a simple gesture without switching apps. Thanks to breakthroughs in Google AI, you can now circle, highlight, scribble, or tap whatever you're curious about on your screen to learn more. So let's take this example where I'm interested in what a creator is wearing in their social post, but they didn't tag the brands. Just long press the home button to invoke Circle to Search. And from there, you can select any item, like these sunglasses, to quickly uncover similar options and where to buy them. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm sure you love watching videos on your phone. So let's say I'm browsing YouTube Shorts, and I see this kind of interesting hanging chair here. I'd like to know more, but I wouldn't even know what to say. So again, with Circle to Search, I long press the home button, circle it right over the video, I use my finger or the S Pen, and up pops some results, and see a bunch of different options here. And if I want to, I can recircle, and here are even more options. And I can click on any of these. It's just so magical. I can just learn more about anything that I see.
Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine. Tara, are you ready to show everyone what the Galaxy S24's camera can do?
Yes, Hamid. I've seen posts that the S series is a must-bring item for concerts. Although it's a dimly lit environment and we were far away, with the Galaxy S24's nightography and space zoom, we were able to zoom in to see TXT as if we were in the front row. And from up front, in the dark concert hall, we could clearly capture details, even their facial expressions.
Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a quad tele-camera system, including a new 5x optical lens and a 50-megapixel sensor, so you can take high-quality videos and photos from afar.
The Galaxy S24 series has our best cameras yet. So we made sure that this epic quality carries over to your favorite social apps, too. Our native camera experiences like nightography, Super HDR, and video stabilization are now available through social in-app cameras for Instagram and Snapchat. In the past, slowing down an existing video required you to create each missing part frame by frame. But now, with the Pro Visual Engine, you can turn high-resolution videos into slow motion with a simple long press. It will analyze each frame of the video and add AI-generated images in between frames, allowing you to watch your videos in slow motion.
The Galaxy experience is designed to empower you while seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. And now, with the incredible power of Galaxy AI, the Galaxy experience is reaching new heights with all new ways to connect, create, and play. The Galaxy S24 series will be available for pre-order starting today. Pricing starts at $799, with the S24 Plus at $999, and S24 Ultra at $1,299.
With Galaxy AI, we're preparing for the beginning of an entirely new era of digital health. Let's start where your day ends, with sleep. It plays an important role in your overall wellness. So, Samsung Health has focused our efforts on helping you to get better rest. Samsung Health works with the Galaxy ecosystem to help you understand your sleep patterns. It gives you an intuitive sleep score and personalized coaching to help you build habits that improve your sleep quality. Later this year, with Galaxy AI, we're going to take it a step further by introducing new smart sleep analysis indices to provide you with even more insights about your health patterns and information to ask your healthcare professionals about. We're excited to share that later this year, we will be introducing an all-new smart health experience that will help you understand your daily wellness. Developed based on expert consultation, My Vitality Score will monitor your physical readiness and mental preparedness to help you understand how productive you can be on your upcoming day. And today, we're taking the possibilities of Samsung Health to the next level by bringing Samsung Health's cutting-edge innovations to a brand new form factor. We've created a powerful and accessible health and wellness device here to change the shape of future health like only Samsung can. Meet the Galaxy Ring.